boiler's cold, so we know it's not heating. This light lights the whole basement with the switch right here. There we go. Turn the heat off. The shut-off switch is right here for both furnaces. Remove the front panel. It just lifts off. Turn the pilot control knob from on to off. See the red? That's in the off position. Remove the inspection cover. The pilot is down here. I've got it in pilot position. I'm going to press down on that. You can hear the gas release. Okay, I'm holding down the pilot knob and lighting the pilot. There it is. I'm going to hold that down, the pilot button, for 1 minute. Then after letting up on the pilot knob, I switch it into the on position. The step-by-step instructions are right here. Put the inspection cover back. Make sure it's hooked in the holes right there. Turn the emergency shut-off back on. Replace the cover. Come back upstairs and turn the heat on. Shut this light off when you're all done. Leave the lighter on the emergency shut-off switch before you go.